So let's just wait for blue and azul. So over here is blue. And with trainer Mary, we have azul. But before we start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for blue. Come on boys, say go blue, go blue. And all the girls will cheer for azul. Come on girls, say go azul, go azul. Go azul, go azul. So is everyone ready for the basketball game? Again, Ole Energy, are you guys ready? Alright, girls ready. Trainers ready, set, go! Go blue, let's go blue first. Go blue, that's alright. Also, Trainer Mary, you lost this round. What can you say? Hold it, Trainer Kanda. We want another round. Another round up. Are you sure about that one? It's going to lose again? Fine.
I am pretty sure Azul and I will win this time.
So what game do you have in mind? Oh, game.
I suggest a re-race. So the mechanics of this game is the first bird who can drop all feelings into the pool the fastest is the winner. That is a re-race.
So ring race it shall be. Now is everyone ready for